Students, in a previous class we have learned about the LCM. LCM means least common multiples, okay, and finding the LCM by using the prime factorization method and common division method. And one more formula we have learned in the last class. What we have learned? What is that? Do you remember? I hope you are remember. What is that? The product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM. Product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay. So now go to the exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Okay. So find the first one. We find the LCM of the following numbers using the prime factorization method. Okay, first three problems are homework. Okay, so I will do the D problem. So which are the numbers are given? 36, 78, 106, 200. 106, 200 is given. Okay, so prime factorization method. So how? Using the short division method. 26, 78, 106, 200. So 2. Okay, how many times is possible? 1, 3, 13, 1 time. Again 2 table, 2, 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 3 table, 1, 3, 13, 1. Here 2 table, 5, 3. And next 53 is a prime number, is it? So 1 time only. And then 200, 2 table 1 time. Again 2 table 50, 2 table 25. Again 5 table. Okay. So now write the prime factors of 26, prime factors of 78, prime factors of 106 and prime factors of 200 is equal to 26. Which are the factors? 2 into 13. Here 2 into 3 into 13. And then 2 into 53. Here 2 into 2 into 2. 5 into 5. So 13, 3. Okay, others we will write the multiples. So LCM of which are the numbers? 26, 78, 106 and 200 is equal to, and 200 is equal to, which are the multiples? Common multiples 2 and next one is 2 into 2. Okay, right. And next 3. How many times repeated? 1 time 3 and then 5. 2 times repeated and then 53. And next one of the least number 2, 3, 5, 13. Okay, 13 and 53 and 53. Okay, so multiply these values, we get 4,13,400. You will calculate in the rough work area. You will calculate in the rough work area and write it down. Okay, and next one, second one. Find the remaining problems are homework. Find the LCM of the following numbers using the division method. Here division method means common division method. Okay, do this C problem. 18, 36, 50 and 80 is given. Okay, So 3 common commas, 2 table, and next again 2 table, is it? So it's not possible. 9 2s are 18, 25, 20. Again 2 table, 9 9, 25, 10. 2 table, 9 9, 25, 5. Next one of the frame 5. So 9 9, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 1s are. Next again 5 table. Next again 5 table. So 9 9, 1 1. Okay. Again 9 table, 1 1 1 1. So now write the LCM of 18, 36, 50 and 80 years. Which are the factors? 2 into 2. How many times repeated? 4 times. And 5 2 times. And 9. So multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 25 into 9. Now multiply these values. 16 25s are 16. We get finally 36 00. Okay. So 3600. You will calculate this value in a rough work area. Okay, ma? Okay, right. And next one, third problem. Remaining problems are homework. Find the HCF and LCM of the following and verify the product of the number is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay, product of the HCF into LCM. First problem. Remaining 3 problems are homework. Okay, so given 36 and 450. Okay, 36 and 450. Solution. First, using the train factorization method, find the factors of 36. Okay, and then 450. So how many times 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 table, 9s are 3, 3, 3, 1. And then each table 5 table. Okay, it's cancelling 2 table. Okay, here is 2 table. How many times? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. Now using the 5 table, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are. Now using 5 table, 5 9s are. Okay, prime factor. So now write the factors of prime factors of 36 and prime factors of 450 is equal to, what are the factors? What are the factors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And here what are the factors? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, we have to find out the HCF and LCM, because what he asks, find the HCF and LCM of the following and verify that the product of the number is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay, so you should find out the LCM and HF. So HCF means which are the common factors? These are the common factors. So common factors, what we do? Common factors multiplicated, is it, by for the HCF. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That is the HCF of the numbers. And the LCM, two into 3. Okay. And remaining numbers 2 in 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. 2 into 3, already written 3, is it? Okay, one multiple is written. Into 5 into 5. 2, 3, these are the commons first written. Okay, so remaining here 3 is common, so again write 3 and remaining factors 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so how to write? Listen, these are the common factors 3. Okay, so here also 3, one more factor is there, marks 3 is equal to 2, 3, 3. Okay, 3 common factors are there, 2 into 3 into 3, so 18. Okay, so write this first. Okay, LCM means what are the remaining? 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, now multiple 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 into 25 is 900. Okay, we'll calculate. Right, so now you have to find out the value of product of their numbers, is it? Product of their numbers. Product of their numbers. Verify the product of their numbers, is it? So product of their number is equal to HCF into LCM. What is the HCF? Verification. Verify that the product of the number is equal to HCF value is 18. LCM is 900. So added 2 zeros. 9 8s are 72. 7, 9 plus 7, 16. Okay, so product of the numbers. What is the product of the number? Here write the product of the number 36 into 45. Multiply 36. Verification. Here write verification. 36 into 45, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 27, 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 0, 12, 6, 1. Okay, so what is the value? 1620. Already have one of the zero, so both having the same value. So hence verified. Hence verified. Okay, remaining problems homework. Remaining problems are homework. Now see the fourth one. Find the product of two number is 1,33,600. Find their HCF is 25. Then find their LCM. Find their LCM. Okay. Fourth one, the product of two numbers. The given product of two numbers. What is the value? 1,33,600. Okay. If their HCF, okay, so HCF is equal to, what is the value? 25. HCF is 25. Then find their LCM. Find their LCM. So product of the two numbers. Two numbers is equal to 1,33,600. HCF into LCM equal to, so HCF is 25 into LCM equal to, so LCM is equal to this. How many times is possible? It's 5 table. You will simplify 5, 5, 5. I will directly cancel in the 25 table. Okay, 25. How many times is possible? 25 5s are 125. 125. So remaining, we added the 3 times and then 25, 4 times and 4 times of that. Okay, so LCM is 5,344. You should calculate in the rough work area by small calculation, 5 table or 2 table, 1 by 1 you will calculate after writing this place. Okay, right. I will move to the next one of the problem, 5th one. The HCF of two numbers is 28. Okay, HCF of two numbers is 28 and their LCM is 540. 540. If one of the number is 108, then find the other number. Find the other number. So the same formula we have used it. Okay. So what are the values are given? One number. One number is, what is that? 108. Okay, and then LCM equal to 540. HCF is 28. What is the formula? The product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay, HCF value is 28, LCM is 540. So product of the number, one number is 108, another one of the number we didn't know. Okay, so let A be the other or another number. Okay, so A is equal to 28 into 540 by 108. It cancel in 2 table, 4, 54, 54 cancel in. So answer is 140. So thus there another number is 140. Okay. And 6th one is homework. Now move to the 7th one of the problem. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 36. Okay. So least number means we have to find out the LCM. So LCM of which are the numbers? 18, 24 and 36. Okay. So I will try using the common division method. 18, 24, 36. So it's divisible by 2 table. 2 9s are 12s are 24, 18. Again 2 table. 2 table again. 2 3s are 3 table. 3 1 3 again. Therefore, LCM of 18, 24 and 36 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, what is the value? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 to 3, okay, equal to 72. Okay, so 8th one is homework. 9th, 10th, 11th problem we will do the next class. Okay, I will write the homework in this place. Homework exercise 3.4 A B C 2 A B D and 3 B C D and 6 and 8. Okay, complete the homework, send it to the Zoho app. Thank you, students.